Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you how I earn passive interest income with cryptocurrency stablecoins like USDT. In addition to, I also earn passive interest income on my BTC long-term hold positions simply by holding that cryptocurrency in a Celsius network wallet. And so in today's video, I will be transferring USDT from my Binance US exchange account to my Celsius network wallet that is actually on my phone. But the good news is, in the very near future, I believe April 18th, so about 6 days away, they will have a desktop version of their wallet. Now, before we get too far into the weeds, if you're not familiar with the Celsius network, they are basically a platform that allows you to earn passive interest income on your cryptocurrencies by basically holding those currencies in a wallet. Currently, they just have a mobile version, but a desktop version is coming soon. And you don't actually have to stake in the traditional sense of locking up your crypto. Your crypto is not locked up for 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. You can withdraw your crypto at any time you please, and without having that crypto locked up, you will still earn their highest rates on that crypto. They also allow you to borrow against your cryptocurrencies, and they have pretty much the lowest rates out there. I think it's like 1% interest on your loan. And they also have Sell Pay and their Sell Token. But in today's video, I will be focusing on earning passive interest income on your cryptocurrencies. Now, as far as what kind of security risk do you run holding your crypto on their platform, very similar to holding your crypto on an exchange like Binance or Kraken or Coinbase. It's pretty much just as secure as any of those other platforms as it can be in the case that you don't hold your own private keys. Now, with that being said, a little bit about Celsius. Their mission is basically to share up to 80% of their revenue with their users. They only keep 20% of the revenue. And they actually currently have in their treasury $2 billion and 588,000 users. So there's a lot of people that trust this platform, and total community assets that they actually hold is $14 billion and growing daily. So with that all being said, you still need to do your own recon on this platform, and obviously never hold more on any platform than you're actually willing to lose, and that goes for any of the exchanges or a wallet like the Celsius wallet. Now, if you're curious what rates they actually pay, they update these every Monday. You'll get an email on Monday with their updated rates. And you can see, for instance, Bitcoin, they're paying 6.20%. If you stake Matic or Synthetics, which I actually do have some SNX tokens, you get paid 14%. And today I'll actually be transferring some USDT from my Binance US exchange to the wallet and earn 10.51%. Now, this is a stable coin, so it's basically pegged to the dollar. And I challenge you to go into your local bank and say, hey, I want to deposit $1,000, $2,000 with the bank, but you need to pay me 10% interest. Your local banker, more than likely, will laugh in your face. So let's get to actually transferring some of these funds over to my Celsius wallet. So the first thing I need to do is log into my Binance US exchange account. And from the balances page, I just scroll down to USDT and click on withdraw. Now, from the withdraw page, I just confirm I'm using USDT. In this case, it'll be a ERC20 token that will match the type token that Celsius will accept. And now I need to grab the address for my Celsius wallet. So I'll need to open the app on my phone. All right, so now I have the app on my phone open for the Celsius wallet, and as you can see, I've been earning a little bit of interest on my balance. I've actually only been using the app for a few months now, and it's actually generating decent interest income on crypto that would typically be sitting either on an exchange or in a wallet, not necessarily earning any passive income whatsoever. And as you can see, I hold a little bit of Bitcoin, and I'm being paid 6.20% in Bitcoin. They actually pay me in Bitcoin. And then on Tether, you can see I'm getting paid 10.51%. There's my Synthetics tokens that I'm getting paid almost 14% on. I have some BAT tokens I was holding for years, and now they're actually earning interest. Not a lot, but 3.51% is better than what it was earning in 2019, which was 0. So now I need to grab my USDT address from my Celsius wallet. I just click on USDT, click on transfer, and it confirms to only transfer USDT ERC20 tokens, and that's what we are transferring from Binance US. So I click understand, and now I can actually copy that address and paste that address into my USDT address that I want to actually send to. The amount I'm going to send today will be 1,000 USDT. And as you can see, there'll be a hefty fee thanks to this being on the Ethereum network and their ridiculous fees. And so before I hit submit, I always like to check and verify that I have the right address. And the last few digits are 68103. That all looks good to me. So I'll click submit. And so I got to plug in the 6-digit Google authorization code. And then I'll need to confirm the withdrawal request in my email, which typically ends up in my spam folder. So now I just click withdraw and withdraw order submitted. And I can go to the history, and from the deposit withdrawal history under crypto withdraw, you can see the transaction is being processed. And so after about 31 minutes, the transaction is complete and the USDT is now in my Celsius app wallet. And I'll start earning interest income on these funds now that they are held on my Celsius wallet. And again, like I said, I don't have to lock those funds up. I can actually transfer and withdraw these funds at any point in time that I desire. As you see, I click on all, and it would actually withdraw all the funds that are in my wallet. The funds aren't locked up in any type of contract that requires me to hold them for 30, 60, 90 days in the wallet in order to earn the interest income. Obviously, they've got to stay on the platform to earn the income, but I can withdraw anytime I want to if I need those funds. And that pretty much wraps it up. I just wanted to share with you how I earn passive interest income on my cryptocurrency that I'm not using for day trading or bot trading, and otherwise would just be sitting on an exchange or in a wallet not earning any type of income. So with that all being said, if you like this video, do me a favor, spike that like. You might want to shoot that subscribe button if you like these type of videos. That will keep you in the loop. And in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.